302 gang, what's going on, man? It's your boy 302. We back with another video, checking in. You know, a little POV video for the gang, man. You know, getting a little cockpit view of the car. They canceled streetcar takeover in Atlanta is canceled. So, yeah, man, I'm not gonna be able to get that great content for y'all doing that. So, gotta do other things like POV video. I'm mad about that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very mad about that. Like, they could have definitely, I don't know, they said it was due to other things going on. That is a busy spot right there, like where they was trying to do that, be a lot of stuff going on and shit like that. So, I can understand them saying they had to cancel it due to certain things, but golly, man, brother wanted to do something, man. Brother wanted to be able to do something for the people. But you know, man, it just is.
Every time I fall, I go even harder. Every time I lose, I get even smarter. This is not a movement you can be a part of. Niggas says up, we take it even further. Met black jets in the button now. Riding in the Phantom with 100 rounds. Heard the niggas talking, I can't come around. Lambo in the trenches, that's him coming down. Pop up in your city like I tell.
Go my behind to work. But yeah, man, you know, it is what it is. I thought it would have been, you know, a great opportunity, something fun to do. It's in the neighborhood, but it's never that easy. They never gonna do no car event that easy around my way like that. Nigga, every time I want to go to a car event, I'm gonna have to travel and do hard work to get to it. Everybody else get their events right where they at. Good though, the car feeling good. I went and got all of that work done to make sure the car was straight. All that for nothing. Even though I needed the work anyway. I didn't need it, so it was cool. Like, I got a lot of work done up under the car and stuff. It's good to have it done, but I definitely made sure I got it done so I could be ready for the event, but it don't look like it's gonna go that way. So, you know, it is what it is. But, you know, we just gonna keep going, baby. Keep making videos. Keep getting this content out there for y'all, man. I know y'all seen that your boy just got married, but I know you can see the ring on my finger while I'm driving. You know, wedding ring stuff. You know, cool. But yeah, you know, trying to get y'all some more content about here. I gotta get another drag set up. I need another drag tire for the back because I know I ain't gonna be able to do nothing. Can't get on the highway, do no pulls for y'all for real because I don't have a tire. I mean, well, I could do it, but it ain't gonna be fun because I can't really go balls deep like I want to. But you know, it is what it is. Still working on that. I'm working on some stuff for the fall, like some fall sweatsuits, some hoodies, some sweatpants, you know, some stuff like that. Trying to get my merch game up, man. I hate that I don't have no merch to give to people. You know, it help the channel grow, but I'm trying to work on the design. Like, if I know some designers that can design my shirts for me, let me know, because I'm trying to do that. I just don't want any kind of shirt. Like, I want the shirt to be cool, so, you know, that takes time. You ain't gonna be able to find that just overnight. Car running so strong, man. Like, it's running super strong, like, I tell you that for sure. I had, like I said, I was a drag setup away. I'm going to pick up my boost controller tomorrow. Definitely running strong. I even felt it getting a little sideways a little bit, scared me a little bit. But nah, the car is definitely running strong. We doing big things, man, doing big things. I love the little POV things because I get to see from my point of view, like, it's like you right here, it's like you driving the car, to be honest. But yeah, man, car is running good, man. Car is running good. We got got most of the bugs figured out. Well, I was missing what? A tune-up, it got fresh oil in it, some spark plugs, a drag setup, and I'm going to pick up this boost controller tomorrow. I promise you, tomorrow this boost controller, I have a brand new boost controller and it'll be working. Because I think when the boost controller is off, you on gates, just getting gate boosts and stuff like that, and that for one, it's scary because I don't know exactly how much boost is pulling, and two, I just, you know, man, I'm trying to get back into racing, man. Trying to get the car back into race mode. It's been a long time since I raced, but it's kind of like if you know kind of thing. It costs a lot of money to run these cars at 100%. Costs a lot of money. So I've been in the process of getting the car back to 100%. It takes time, man. You know, like it takes time to get it back to like where you wanted to be, back where you was beating on the car with no worries and you could just get in the car and stomp it and go. It's not something that you could just do overnight like that. You gotta strategize and do things right. Like, this is how it goes. Like, if you ever built a car that makes a lot of horsepower, you know that it's small things cost a lot of money. It be the small stuff, like it's crazy, like I say, it's more of a if you know kind of thing. Not everybody really get it. People think you can just jump in the car and just go the next day. Like, I swear, son, it's not like that. Like, it's a lot that come with this car racing stuff. It's a lot that come with it. You just gotta love it. That's the whole thing. You gotta love it, because it don't love you back. So the way this car world works, like if you want to be in the cars, you want to build cars, you want to race cars, this gotta be something that you love, because it costs so much money that you be sitting there thinking to yourself, like, life could be so great if I didn't have this hobby. Like, if this wasn't something that I like to do, I'd have so much more money. My life would be so much more fun. But at the same time, and you can also, a car guy will also tell you when everything is running right, the right way, man, listen, that's another way that's an even better feeling to me. Like, knowing that you can stop this, you can put this down, sell a car, get rid of all this stuff, and be a normal person, like you see all these normal people out here, and just drive a car normally, without having to have a car that has low fuel economy and run the E85, which everybody think because it's $2 a gallon, $3 a gallon, when really it's really half that, because you only getting half the gas mileage because of how fast it burns. Like, it's a lot of money, and you'll save a lot of money. But when your car is running good and everything is running straight, man, it's one of the best feelings ever, man. I'm telling you, like, life is like, oh, it's like, even if it's, the funny part about it, most of the fast people that you know, cars really only run sometimes out the year. You don't even see them throughout the whole year. You might see them during race season and they disappear for the rest of the year. But for that one, like, them few months of race season is some of the best months ever. Like, once you get a successful night where the car runs at 100%, you have no issues, you get to drive there, drive back home, the car perform well, you impress yourself, you impress a lot of people, you proud of your build. That ride home and park and you go in the house and sit down, it's like victory. It's sweet victory. But yeah, man, like I said, this is a quick POV video, man, you know, just me opening up the car a little bit, getting a fresh drive in. You already know I'm going to my favorite place in the whole world, the car wash. It's really a place where I get to, like, it's like a stress reliever on a load of me. Like, washing my car, it's almost like going to the gym. Before I used to go to the gym all the time, I used to go to the car wash all the time. Cause the car wash is like, it's refreshing, man. Like, it's like a good feeling. Like, can't even explain it. Also, yeah, man, y'all boys follow me on Instagram. Let me show y'all my Instagram. Cause for some reason my Instagram then went bad. I don't know what's wrong with my Instagram, but not that one. That's the cool guy page. But for some reason my YouTube, I don't know. I mean, my Instagram be acting funny. It's like I don't know what happened. I don't get no more likes on here, nothing like that. I don't know what it is or what happened, but for some reason, I don't know. Look, I reached 23,000 accounts and I don't get no more followers or nothing no more. Like, I don't know what happened to my account. Look at you, baby. Nice and foamed up. Let's get some washing going on. Well, did the washing already. Let's get this spray this soap. It ain't nothing like a good car wash to, you know, bring the nerves down and stuff like that. But we're finna end this video, man. Just wanted to get on here and top it up with y'all for a little while about, you know, just car guy stuff. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. It's car guy content, man. Yeah, no streetcar takeover, man. They messing me up with that one, but you know, it's all good, man. 302 game.